Hi everyone, today I will demonstrate the volume encryption feature in 1.4.0 Harvest. It's an experimental feature and enabled by default. Today we have two goals need to finish. First goal is to create an encrypted virtual machine. The second goal is to create an encrypted data volume for virtual machine. In 1.4.0 Harvest supposed creating an encrypted boot volume and data volume. Since Harvest authorized Longhorn as a volume manager by default, volume encryption is also based on Longhorn. And the encryption mechanism authorizes the Linux kernel module decrypt and the command line utility crypt setup. First of all, we need to follow the documentation to create a valid secret and storage class. And you can find the detail in the image management, image security. So let's create a secret first. The first step you need to, first you need to prepare a source virtual machine image which you want to encrypt. Next, we need to create a valid secret. Okay, let's go to a secret. Click create button. We name it as encryption. Now we just copy paste all the field. And this is the password. You can type any password you want, for example, password. Then click create. Next, we need to create a storage class. We name it encryption. And you can see there's an option you can select under the volume encryption. You need to select yes. And select the secret you just created and click create. Now you have a valid secret and storage classes. Now we can create a encrypted virtual machine image. Now we already have a source image. Then click create. Select the encrypt option and select the source image. Next, you need to select a specific storage class which you just created. Otherwise, we will get an error message from webhook. So, encrypted. For example, you will get an error message from webhook. So you need to set a specific one and click create. Now we just need to wait for a few seconds. Now we can use it as a normal image. We create an encrypted VM and fill in any required fields. Here you need to select the encrypted virtual machine image. Click create. After VM starts, you can use it as usual. But you might be wondering if it's really encrypted or not. So next I will show you more details about it very quickly. Let's log into a node. In general, all the attached volumes are under the DB Longhorn. But if they are encrypted, balun, they will be decrypted under the DV map. So you can see there is only one here, and it's easy to tell. Hence, we all know this boot balun of this VM is really encrypted. Next, let's create an encrypted data balun. Go to a balun tab and click Create button. And creating an encrypted data balun is much easier. You just need to select the specific storage classes. For example, you just need to select this one, give it 10 gigabyte, EN1. After creating the data balun, we can create another new virtual machine and attach this encrypted data balun to it. Test 2. But now, let's try to use a non-encrypted image here. Next, we add a balun, add the existing balun, and click Create. Now, you might notice there are different icons on the virtual machine. It's an icon that presents the different encryption status. For example, in this one, all the baluns are encrypted. And this one is some baluns are encrypted. For more details, please click the virtual machine and navigate to the baluns tab. You can find which balun is encrypted or not. For more detail and the limitation, please go to the Harvest documentation, and you can navigate to the image management, image security, or balun management, balun security to see more detail and the limitation. That's today's demo. Thank you for watching.